What is the one word for? Give evidence for. The correct answer is corroborate. What is the one word for? Scold or criticize severely. The correct answer is chastise. What is the one word for? Come together, usually for a purpose. The correct answer is congregate. What is the one word for? Suggesting or suitable for an artistic composition. The correct answer is picturesque. What is the one word for? Any obstruction that impedes or is burdensome. The correct answer is hindrance. What is the one word for? Impairment of normal physiological function. The correct answer is malady. What is the one word for? Not secure, beset with difficulties. The correct answer is precarious. What is the one word for? Act in agreement and in secret towards a deceitful purpose. The correct answer is conspire. What is the one word for? Flow over or cover completely. The correct answer is engulf. What is the one word for? Make right or correct. The correct answer is rectify. What is the one word for? Arouse hostility or indifference in. The correct answer is alienate. What is the one word for? Stand still. The correct answer is stagnate. What is the one word for? Make easier. The correct answer is facilitate. What is the one word for? Increase. The correct answer is enhance. What is the one word for? Lose velocity, move more slowly. The correct answer is decelerate. What is the one word for? Bright blue in color, like a clear sky. The correct answer is azure. What is the one word for? Include in scope. The correct answer is encompass. What is the one word for? Given to yielding to the wishes of someone. The correct answer is indulgent. What is the one word for? Convert something hidden or secretive into ordinary language. The correct answer is decipher. What is the one word for? Marked by concern with the alleviation of suffering. The correct answer is humane.